Hello and welcome to Delta Security Online Demos and Tutorials. Here we have a GE Simon security system. I'm going to show you some basic operations like arm with bypass, disarm, and how to set the chime mode and turn the chime mode off. This system is a wireless control panel. Handles up to 48 wireless contacts, which means 48 windows or doors or motion detectors. You can have key fobs, fire alarm hooked up to it. Any number of wireless devices can be controlled by this panel. First, I'll show you how to arm the system, which is very simple. This is set up for the single button arming of the control panel. So first we'll push motion.
Motion's on.
Doors.
Doors and windows on.
Now you can proceed out the house. That's it for arming the system. Now to disarm the system, you put in your security code, which will be using default 1234.
System disarmed.
And that's it. System's disarmed. Now I'll show you how to do a arm with a bypass. That means a window would be open and you can bypass the security system. Now when a window or door is left open, the system status light would be lit, and you could push that and it will tell you which door or window is left open.
Time is 1:55 p.m. Sensor 10. Living room window open.
Now we want to leave the living room window open before we leave the house, so we're going to arm the system in bypass mode. First, select the motion sensors.
Motion's on.
Then we're going to select doors and windows twice. First, it'll tell you which door or window is open.
Sensor 10. Living room window open. Sensor 10. Living room window open. Sensor 10. Living room window bypass.
And
Doors and windows on.
the second time you hit it, it will bypass that particular zone. Now you can proceed out of the house. Now we'll disarm the system.
System disarmed.
Now the system is disarmed. That window is no longer bypassed. Next we'll show you how to set the chime mode on the security system. It's either on or off for all zones. I'll select the chime mode for doors, and we will open up a door and you'll see how it sounds.
Chime on.
That's it, and turn it off. Press the
Chime
button.
off.
And when you're setting the chime mode, it is important to have the system disarmed. Thank you for visiting Delta Security Online, Demos and Tutorials. Be sure to check back soon.